more on heat transfer, radiation from the hot burner from the sun. If you're in a cabin in the winter, you went skiing or something, or you wanted to go up in the snow park, and you're where they have a big wood stove. Why is it that that wood stove just feels so nice? I mean, it is the air in contact with it is rising, so you have a convective process going there. But it's mostly that radiation that makes you feel warm. The flip side is, too, that can make you be very uncomfortable. I remember living in Arizona where the walls of our house would get really hot late in the day in the summer. And even though the air temperature in the room was, say, 80, whew, it felt warmer than that. And a lot of it was just the hot radiation from the walls. So it kept that air running through there. It was a little cooler, but it was not comfortable. The conduction part, okay, so you grab that handle there. If it's a good conductor, you're going to have an unpleasant experience. If it's a bad conductor, you won't. So you don't want a good conductor in the handle. Strangely, we have metal handles mostly, which tend to be fairly good conductors. Convection is just where you have the heated surface rising, in this case, water. You can also have convection when the sun shines on the ground and it's a hot day and there's rising air, similar process, but gas rather than liquid.